The Annapolis Fringe Festival brought together extraordinary artists and performers through burlesque music, silent disco dancing, and live model sculpting evoking curiosity in Maryland's historic capital. The festival shined with the performers and artists who displayed their work on West Street, the location where the entire festival took place. It defined Annapolis's art district with many galleries and smaller concert venues. This conjured duet was just one of the extraordinary talents.